This is ipconfig with GTA Crew Zulu, and in today's video I'm going to be showing how I modded my Wii. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to fire up my Wii with no SD card installed in it. Then I'm going to click on the Wii button down there in the bottom left corner. Then I'm going to click on my Wii settings, and I'm going to scroll on over a couple times, or one time actually, over to Internet. Go to connection settings, go to the connection I'm using, hit change settings down there, and then I'm going to scroll over about 3 times until I hit auto obtain DNS. Hit no and hit advanced settings, and we're going to enter that IP address under the primary DNS, and we can leave the secondary DNS blank, and then just go ahead and hit confirm, and then we will go ahead and click save and click OK, and that's going to go ahead and run a connection test for us, which I'm going to go ahead and speed up here because it's going to take us a little while. Once it finishes that successfully, it's going to ask you if you want to perform a system update on your Wii. You are definitely going to click no on that. Then we're going to click on back 2 times, and then we're going to click on user agreements. And on this screen we'll go ahead and click on yes. Go ahead and hit next on this one. You do not want to hit I accept or I do not accept. Just let it sit. It'll sit for about 1.5 minutes. On my video I sped it up, but it does take about 1.5 minutes. That DNS server we put in earlier has fooled the Wii into loading the wrong terms of service page, and this page is what's going to load our mods onto the Wii. If we hit I accept or I do not accept, it will bring it back to the Wii's original terms of service website. So after about 1.5 minutes, you're going to have all this text come up on the screen. You'll just let all that go through, do its thing. Then the Wii's going to kind of look like it's crashing, but it's going to have this other screen come up here. It'll take a moment to load past. Just give it a second here. Then we'll hit 1 on the Wiimote, or actually you can just hit A on the GameCube controller at this point. Then we're going to hit continue on here. Then we're going to go ahead and select install the Homebrew channel at the top in order to go ahead and install our Homebrew channel. We're going to go ahead and hit yes, continue on this right here, and our Homebrew channel is installing. Now we'll hit continue, and we will hit exit, and we will hit exit again, and it should take us out to the Homebrew channel. Now I'm going to turn off my Wii and go over to my phone. The first thing I will need to do is insert my SD card into my phone. It usually goes on a SIM card tray that comes out the side of the phone. Then I'm going to download a program called WII off of the Google Play Store. Once we get that installed, we're going to do a Google search for ctgp-r. ctgp revolution should be the first result. We'll click on that. And then we're going to click on get ctgp-r. And on the next screen, we will click begin. On the next screen, you will click yes. Click yes on this one. You will click Wii. We use a whole different set of instructions. Click on Homebrew channel, and then next to number 1 where it says download ctgp-r, click on that link right there, and that'll bring you to a website where it'll go ahead and download it. I already sped all this up. Once I get ctgp-r completely downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open up my WII program. Then I'm going to select the three bars on the top left corner of the app. Going to select device storage. Then I'm going to select the download folder. I will select my file I just downloaded, ctgp-r. Click on that to open it. And then I'm going to check every file in here. I want to extract the files, not the main directory of the zip file itself. And then I will click on, up at the top you see a books with a belt around it with an up arrow. Click on that, not the one with the plus, the one with the up arrow, because we're extracting. Then we're going to select destination path, and on that we will select storage, and we'll select our SD card here. We're going to select the root directory, and then we will click OK, and that will write those files directly to the root or main directory of the SD card. Now I'm going to take my SD card out of my phone and put it back into my WII. Now once I get my WII loaded up again, I'm going to go ahead and select the Homebrew channel that I installed earlier. Hit start on that, and it should bring us to a page that has all the mods that we have installed on that SD card. ctgp-r should be listed on that, and then we'll go ahead and hit that and load it. With it being your first time loading, you will more than likely have updates that it will have to download before you get to this page that I'm on now. Once you get here, you can go ahead and hit launch game. You can also add the ctgp-r channel to the home screen, so you don't have to click on the Homebrew channel from the main menu anymore. You can just hit ctgp-r channel, go straight in. I'm going to go ahead and hit launch game here. Notice after I hit launch game, it's going to check for the disc. You got to have a retail copy of Mario Kart Wii in your CD drive for this to work. And that's it, everybody. The rest of this video is just showing the extra cars and some of the extra maps that are added on with this mod. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you like video, want to see more in the future, please hit the subscribe button for me. I'm going to be live streaming more Mario Kart ctgp-r in the future. Thanks for watching, everybody.